Good afternoon, dear teacher and classmates. My name is Jenny Tatiana Tasconerazo. I am 31 years old. I'm from Valle del Cauca. I study psychology in the UNAD University. Last Christmas, I had the opportunity to share with my whole family. In love and love, we distributed gifts among us. We ate buñuelos, custard, rice, turkey, and sweet salad at midnight. It was very beautiful Christmas, full of love, but someone was missing. My father died last year. Next, I am going to show you a recipe that is used in the Valle del Cauca, generally for parties. Chicken rice. Ingredients: 1 pound of rice, 2 cups of water, 1 chicken breast, 2 cups of vegetables, peas, carrots, chopped onions, green beans, paprika. 1 packet of sausages, 1 tablespoon of color, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, spice to taste. Preparation: I usually mix 1 pound of rice with 2 cups of water and little chopped onion, color and salt to taste. Then I boil until cooked. The bread is cooked with salt, then covered. It is not necessary to include onion. Generally, people do not like, but for me, it's essential. Um, the onion um, and vegetable with a very good flavor. They should be chopped into small pieces and poured into sausage pan with little water, with consumed and tablespoon of butter, and salt and spice to taste. Also chicken. When everything is fried, pour on tomato sauces and mix this preparation with the rice. This recipe is present with French fries. I invite you to the Valle del Cauca. It is a spectacular place where you can taste best rice with chicken, especially at family parties.